Hello students, how are you? We had started lesson 6 food making in plants in the last week. Have you read the chapter as I told you? So, what you had learned? We learned that plants make their food with the help of chlorophyll, water, carbon dioxide, minerals and sunlight. The process is called photosynthesis. Yes. Also, we learned about the special ways of getting food by non-green plants and insectivorous plants. So, today we will study about animals. How animals get their food. We know that plants makes their own food. But what about animals? Animals cannot make their own food. They get their food from plants or other animals. We see so many animals around us. Have you observed any animals eating food? What does they eat? Different animals eat different kinds of food. Have you seen a cow eating grass or a goat eating leaves of a plant? Some animals eating grass, leaves and different parts of the plant. They are known as plant-eating animals. Yes. So, we can say that animals that eat only plants or plant products such as grass, leaves and grains are called herbivores or herbivorous animals. Animals such as cow, deer, goat and rabbit are herbivorous animals. Why are people afraid of lions, tigers and crocodiles? These are wild animals, yes, that hunt other animals for food. They eat the flesh of other small animals. These are known as flesh-eating animals, yes. So, animals that eat flesh are called carnivores or carnivorous animals. Animals like lions, tigers, leopards, frogs and wolves are carnivorous animals. Children, do you know what does the crow eat? You must have seen the crow eating the leftover food or snatching away the food from people while they are eating out. At times, it can also be seen eating insects or small animals like mouse. So, some animals like crow eat both the plants and the flesh of other small animals. Yes, same way a bear not only eat leaves, fruit, but also fishes and flesh of small animals. So, animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals are known as omnivores or omnivorous animals. Animals like crows, dog and human are omnivorous animals. So, let us revise these types of animals according to the food habit. Some animals are plant-eating animals like goat and cow, etc. are called as herbivorous animals. And some animals eat only flesh of other animals like tiger, lion, crocodile, etc. are called as carnivorous animals. And some animals eat both plants and animals like bear, crow, etc. are called as omnivorous animals. Children, the cheetah is a flesh-eating animal, so it doesn't matter to cheetah whether plants are there or not. Is it correct? No. If there are no plants, so what will the goat eat? And hence, goat wouldn't survive. And also, the cheetah won't also get its food, that is, goat. And hence, cheetah will also not survive. So, directly or indirectly, everyone depends on plants for food. Hence, plants are very important for all the living beings. Am I right? The goat eats the grass and the cheetah eats the goat. This is called as food chain. The grass is the food of the goat and goat in turn is the food of cheetah. So, a food chain is formed. This way, many food chain are formed in the nature and all food chain starts from the plants. Now see at one more example of food chain in a grassland. Grasshopper eats the grass and frog eats the grasshopper. Snake eat the frog and hawk eat the snake. Grass is the food of the grasshopper. Grasshopper in turn is the food of the frog and frog is the food of snake, which in turn is the food of hawk. Clear everyone? Now this grass or any plant is eaten by many animals, like grass is eaten by grasshopper and rabbits, and grains which is obtained by plants are eaten by mouse. Means we can say grasshopper, rabbit and mouse are plant eating animals, right? Now this grasshopper is eaten by lizard and hawk eats the lizard. Snake eats the mouse and hawk eats the snake and mouse both. Hawk also eat rabbits. It means hawk depends on rabbit, snake, lizard and mouse. Like hawk, there are many animals who eat more than one kind of food. So, different kinds of linked food chain exist in nature. Food chain do not operate in isolation. Isolation means separately. Food chain do not operate separately. So, this network of interconnected food chain is called food web. Plants and animals depend on each other for their survival. Plants give food and oxygen to other animals. Animals breathe out carbon dioxide that is used by plants to make their food. This is how plants and animals depend on each other and live together. A balance between the number of plants and the number of animals is necessary in nature. What would happen if there is an increase in the number of animals? It would become difficult for plants to supply enough food and oxygen to all the animals. Similarly, if there is an increase in the number of plants, it would become difficult for the animals to supply enough carbon dioxide to the plants for photosynthesis. So, to maintain this balance in nature, both plants and animals need to be protected. So, as an activity, today I am giving you one task. You have to plant one plant, take a photo and post me in and tag. Thank you children and have a nice day.